Good morning, students. Let's begin with the question number 7 of worksheet number 3. A train 150-meter long is running at 72 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. Find the length of the bridge. So here the train is crossing a bridge. So the distance traveled by the train is equal to length of train plus length of bridge. So let's suppose first, what is the length of bridge? The length of bridge, length of bridge is x meters. Therefore, distance traveled by train is equal to length of train plus length of bridge is equal to 150 plus x meters. Now, the train crosses a bridge in 13 seconds. So, time is equal to 13 seconds. Speed of train. Speed of train is 72 km per hour. Since distance is in meter, time is in seconds and speed is in kilometer per hour, we need to convert the speed of kilometer per hour into meter per second. So I hope all of you remember the formula that we multiply it by 5 by 18. When we convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. The formula big to small. Big to small, small number up. And if it is from small to big, big number up. So we multiply by 18 by 5. Remember this formula always to convert speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second or from meter per second to kilometer per hour. So here 18 fours are 72 and we get 20 meter per second. So we have speed in now meter per second, time in seconds, distance is in meters. Let's find the missing value x. We know distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is our 150 plus x. This is equal to speed 20 into time 13. 150 plus x is equal to 260. X is equal to 260 minus 150 is equal to 110 meter. Therefore, length of bridge is equal to 110 meter, which the train crosses in 13 seconds. So this finishes your question number 7. Let's move to the question number 8 on the same pattern. Question number 8 is, how long will a train 120 meter long takes to clear a platform 130 meter long if its speed is 50 kilometer per hour? So let's begin with it. Here what is missing? First we have to think that what is missing, the how long will a train. It means we need a time, but we haven't given the length of train and length of platform. So the distance traveled by train, first we write the distance traveled by train is equal to length of train plus length of platform is equal to 120 plus 130, 250 meters. This is the distance to be traveled by train. And now speed of train 50 kilometer per hour. Let's convert into meter per second. As in the previous question also I told you, from big to small means from kilometer per hour to meter per second. From big to small, take the smaller number up, 5 by 18. Now do the cutting with the 2, we get 125 upon 9 meters per second. This is our speed. So what we have to find now? What is the missing? Time. Because we have to find how long will a train take. So we need to find a time. And time is equal to distance upon speed. What is our distance? 250. What is our speed? 125 upon 9. So this is equal to 250 upon 125 into 9. That makes it 18. Therefore, time taken by train to cross a platform is equal to 18 seconds. And this completes your question. In these all questions, what we have to do, we have to take a relation between speed, distance and time that helps us in solving the questions. I hope it's clear to everyone.